So just to start off, why don't you let us know sort of who you are and how you became part of the Creative Book Publishing program?
Yeah, my name's Morgan. I am a recent 2 years ago, Trent University English grad, and I'm from Peterborough, Ontario. I kind of wanted to get into the Creative Book Publishing program because I had all this kind of theoretical knowledge about books and a love of books, and then kind of nowhere to channel it. Like, I didn't know what to do next. So Creative Book Publishing was kind of an opportunity to take that next step and apply it in a practical way, get some networking in, find connections in the industry, and hopefully come out the other end with viable employment opportunities that applied to things that I love doing, and be a part of kind of the Canadian book community, which I already am really invested in on a personal level. So it was just and I love school.